Yep. You're sick of getting pedal scrapes and from these pins in your pedals. I'm going to show you a quick little hack how to get rid of them. First, go tell your dad to turn off Tracy Chapman's. She got a fast car in the garage. Grab his Dremel. Put a nice little cutting bit, little diamond cutting bit, and you're going to turn that spike into a nice flat pedal so it won't mess up your shins anymore or cut you up. You can take a file and make them even smoother if you want. I'm just keeping a little tiny bit for tread, but these are the Gold Odyssey twisted pedals for Dave Mura. R.I.P. buddy. But I'm gonna cut one and show you how to do it. Pretty simple. And I'm not worried about the music because YouTube took away everybody's rights to put anything, so put your music in there. Who cares? What are they gonna? They're gonna copyright it. So what? They ain't paying anybody anymore. Driving in that car. A little bit of concave on these pedals, so just kind of go with the pedal. Get that thing nice and flush. It doesn't cut you anymore. Just like going to the dentist, but for your pedal. All that extra plastic just comes right off here. I'll do one more for you, but I'll tell you what. I've taken wire cutters and clipped all these things off because I thought that was faster, but it actually broke my pedal. So I think the best way is to, like, you know, cut it off proper, whether you have a little saw blade or the straight up Dremel. But get into flat so you don't hack your leg up anymore. This has been a nice do-it-yourself hack. And wear those safety glasses. Wear those safety glasses.